AI is changing the way developers write code. Tools like GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT can now generate entire functions in seconds. But here is the real question. How can you tell if the code was generated by a human or by AI? And more importantly, is it reliable? Today I am going to explore a brand new tool called CodeSpy.ai built to detect AI generated code and help developers, educators, and businesses ensure code quality and accountability. Hi everyone, in this video we will test out CodeSpy.ai, see how it detects AI generated code and why is it important for developers and teams, and how small and medium software firms can actually save time and improve code quality using it. AI coding assistants are super useful, but a recent research like award-winning study of NYU Tandon School of Engineering found that AI-generated code can often be outdated, contain memory-related bugs, or even connect to the database that no longer exists. That's where CodeSpy.ai steps in. Instead of rewriting your code, it helps you to spot the parts of the code generated by the AI so you can review and fix them faster, keeping you in control. So this is the official website of CodeSpy.ai where you can register yourself by entering your email and password. So I have already registered. Once you register, you will be redirected to this beautiful dashboard. It supports different programming languages like Java, Python, JavaScript, C Sharp, PHP, and C++. All you need to do is paste or upload your code, click on here, analyze code, and within seconds the code spy analyze it and highlight the section that were likely written by an AI model. It does not rewrite or modify your code. It simply gives you the clarity and insight into where AI might have been used. So let's try this with an example. I have two code samples and I'm going to test it by one. So first of all, we'll test the AI generated code that I have already copied the AI generated code and that I'm going to paste it and I'm going to use the language Java. So this is the Java code generated by the AI and now I'll click on analyze and it will analyze my code and it will detect that you can see that 98% probability of an AI that our code is generated by AI and report has been generated for our code. You can click and within 1 second it has been generated and you can see that this code appears to be AI generated and you can see that the result 98% code is generated. So probability of this code, the chances are this code is generated by an AI. Now I will test another code which is written by human like me. So let's test that one. I am going to paste the Java code that is written by me. So this code is written by me and I will analyze this code that is CodeSpy able to detect that this code is generated by human or AI. Let's analyze it. So click on analyze button and it will analyze your code within a second. So let's see. So you can see that it's saying human. You can see that this is the code that we have tested right now. It is saying that this code is generated by human. This code does not appear to be AI generated. Our analysis suggests that there is a 2% chance that content you have written by an AI. So there is a very less chance that you have written this code by AI. This detection suggests that this code is generated by a human. So you can see that CodeSpy is able to detect the code which is generated by AI and which is generated by human. Similarly, you can go to the project session, you can upload the file and it support the zip file java, py, .c, .cpp, .ch, .js. This type of extension of file are allowed here. So you can upload your file and you can detect that particular file also. So this help developers immediately focus on their QA or debugging efforts where it matters most. This kind of visibility can save tons of time, especially if you are managing a team or reviewing outsourced code. So, Code Spy is not just for individual developers, it also incredibly valuable for small and medium sized software firms. For example, the consultant plan you can see that of $27.98 per month for individual or business with less than 4 people. You can see that unlimited AI scan, AI detection in Java, C Sharp, Python, PHP, JavaScript, and you can get the data export. And you can see that for a small businesses the plan is different with the different price and the benefits that is provided by the this plan. And then for the enterprises, for the big companies, so you can take it this plan, you can subscribe to this plan and get the all the features provided by the CodeSpy.ai. In short, CodeSpy.ai gives you visibility and control in the age where AI is writing more and more of our code. It is simple, fast, and can save countless hours of debugging. You can use the CodeSpy to save your countless hours of debugging. You can check it out. The CodeSpy.ai link is in the description if you are serious about the code quality and the team productivity. This is the tool worth exploring. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and comment